Hi kids, this is Nelly. In this video, I wanna draw a rooster.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so
Let's color
the
it.
teacher turned it
Red
out,
color.
turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Yellow color.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb,
Orange
you know.
color.
The teacher did reply. The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife,
Blue color.
the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse.
Green color.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Blue color.
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes
Orange
the mouse,
color.
the cat takes the mouse.
Green
Hi-ho
color.
the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
See you on next
Mouse
video.
takes the cheese, the mouse